For a Klaviyo affiliate discount before signing up? If you're running an e-commerce brand, Shopify store, agency, SaaS company, or online business, that's a smart thing to check. But here's something important to know. Klaviyo doesn't typically operate like consumer software, where everyone gets a public affiliate coupon code. Instead, Klaviyo works closely with agencies, consultants, technology partners, freelancers, and solution providers through its official partner ecosystem. The company offers dedicated partner programs with referral opportunities, support resources, training, and partner incentives. For most businesses evaluating Klaviyo, the bigger opportunity isn't usually a one-time discount. It's what happens after your marketing starts working more efficiently. Klaviyo combines email marketing, SMS marketing, customer data, analytics, automation, and AI-powered tools into a single platform. More than 190,000 brands use Klaviyo to create personalized customer experiences and drive revenue growth. That's especially valuable for e-commerce brands because customer retention is often more profitable than customer acquisition. With Klaviyo, businesses can build automated welcome sequences, abandoned cart flows, post-purchase campaigns, customer segmentation, SMS automations, and personalized marketing journeys based on real customer behavior. And if you're not ready for a paid plan yet, Klaviyo offers a free plan that allows businesses to get started and test the platform before upgrading. So before signing up, check the description below. I've included the latest Klaviyo sign-up link, available promotions, free plan details, and any current partner-related offers that may help you get the best value possible. And if you enjoy finding e-commerce software deals, SaaS discounts, email marketing tools, marketing automation platforms, and business growth resources, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.